Hello, today we are going to study and learn how to create histogram in Excel sheet. Before going to start the lecture, I would request you to please go through the Excel learning course in my playlist and check all of the videos I have already created on Excel. Today we are going to upload our 23rd lecture on histogram, and I would request you please like this video and subscribe to my channel, as this motivates me to create such wonderful free courses for you. So let's get back to the Excel sheet. This is the data on which I want to create and will show you how to create histogram. So the first step is to select the column on which you want to create histogram. I want to select this column with percentage padding and will go as a next step to insert and come to recommended charts. If you see histogram option in these areas, you can select histogram directly or go to recommended charts and click on all charts and then come to histogram. Select this and click on OK. So here you get the histogram out of the data in column F. Now, if you want to know how much students got 30 to 52% marks, or you can say what is the number of students who fall in this range, I mean between 30 and 52. You would click on this option plus sign and click on data label. This would show you how many students are, what is the number of data that comes in this range. So we have 3 students with in the range from 30 to 52 marks, and 6 and 10 in 74 to 96, and so on. So if you want to reduce this range, I want to show you something that is very interesting. This is the number of bins and what is the bin width. This number of bins is this, I mean this range, and this range. If you want to increase the range from 4 to 6 or maybe to another number, you can do this and press the enter key. This creates 2 more ranges and reduces the gap between the ranges. Earlier we had the difference of 12%. Now we have it around about 11%, and you can check it here, or you can create your ranges according to this option also. But if you select this option, in the Excel would adjust the range itself. So if you want to do some formatting, if you want to change the color of these bars, you can click on that specific bar and then click on this area and select the color of the range to this one. But if you want to change color of all bars in the histogram, you can simply click and do right click and click on format data series. So click here and change the color of the bars This is how we change the color of the bars. Now, if you want to change the background of this histogram, then you can select on this blank space, or you can do double click, and this will open this box and you can change the background of the histogram. Another thing, if you want to change the title of this histogram, you do double click and select all of the existing text and write your own name. So, dear fellows, I hope this video would add some value in your knowledge. Thank you for watching this video.